Chemical Reactions Unit, Lesson 2.2, Explaining Chemical Reactions. Activity 2, Finding Chemical Reactions. We can confirm that the water changed into hydrogen and oxygen when we tested it in the sim. This is evidence that a chemical reaction can happen with only one substance. This evidence also suggests it is possible the pipes or fertilizer changed into rust. Yesterday we saw a chemical reaction could happen when we mixed two substances. That evidence suggests that claim 3, the iron pipes and the fertilizer changed into rust, is possible. However, we also have some evidence that a chemical reaction can happen with only one substance. This means that claims 1 and 2 are also possible. A chemical reaction could have changed the pipes or the fertilizer into rust too. During certain tests in the sim, you may see lab conditions listed during the testing phase. These lab conditions include high temperature, water, and electricity, which was the lab condition when we tested the water by itself. These lab conditions are included in the sim so you can observe certain substances changing in ways that would be difficult for us to set up in our classroom. Investigation question: how do substances change into different substances during chemical reactions? You've seen evidence that substances can change into different substances. In the last lesson, you learned that these changes happen during chemical reactions. However, we haven't yet determined how substances change into different substances during a chemical reaction. In this lesson, you will investigate this question by making detailed observations of different chemical reactions in the sim. You will need to observe 2 instances where a chemical reaction occurs and 2 where a chemical reaction does not occur in order to answer both mission questions. Comparing instances where chemical reactions occur and where they do not will help you determine how substances change into different substances. Key concept: during a chemical reaction, one or more starting substances, reactants, change into one or more different substances, products. Students launch the sim and begin working on the activity. End of activity.